Hello and welcome to the bonus section of Lesson 2. We're going to play Dead Flowers by the Rolling Stones. So step 1, tune. Get your tuner, get your tuning app, and tune your guitar. As always, tune before you play anything. Step 2, the chords. So we've got D, we've got A, we've got G. Those are the only 3 chords you're going to need for this song, okay? So again, D, D major, muting that low string, okay, making sure all your notes are clear. We've got A, either with these 3 fingers or these 3 fingers, okay? And always muting your low string, okay? And then G. You can play it with 3 and 2 or 2 and 1, all right? So, chord changes. D to A, you could use your first 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. From D to A, you could slide your 3rd finger along the 2nd string to the 2nd fret and place these 2 fingers, your first 2 fingers, for A. So again, D, slide your 3rd finger, 1 fret down, to A. And then from there, you either go to G with these 3 fingers, or from A to G with this. And then back to D. Okay, the other alternative is D. Just jump with these 3 fingers, 2, 3, 4, to A, and then to G. Okay, so I'll let you decide what's more comfortable for you. Whatever works best from D to A to G to D, stick with that fingering, okay? So A, you're 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. Next is the strumming pattern. It's down, down, up, down, up. You've seen this pattern before. It's very common in a lot of popular music. Okay, so again, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Same strumming pattern as Last Kiss by Pearl Jam. So, the chord progression is for the verse is D, A, G, D. Okay, so it's down. And then it repeats, okay? So when we start the song, there's an introduction, D, A, D, D, A, G, D. That's your introduction. And then Mick Jagger comes in with the vocals, okay? So when we play along with the recording, I'm actually just going to count the introduction. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4, okay? So each group of those 4, 1 bar, okay? So 4 bars of 4 beats, okay? And then we come in with the guitars. So the verse is also the same as the introduction, D, A, G, D. Okay, so the first verse, you play that 4 times. Then the chorus is a little bit different. The chorus is A twice, so that was A twice, then to D twice, A twice, D twice. Then it goes G twice, D twice. 2 Gs, 2 Ds, 2 Gs, 2 Ds, then D, A, G, D. And that's the chorus, okay? So follow along the document included here, okay? So it's A, D, D, A, D, D. Then G, G, D, D, G, G, D, D, G, G, D, D, and it wraps up with D, A, G, D. Okay? That's the only 2 sections of the song, the verse and the chorus. There's a guitar solo, but you just play the verse chords under it. And the ending is D, A, G, D, where you have D strummed, then 1A, 1G, kind of slows down, the band does its thing, and then you end the song with a D. Okay? Let's do the verse together right now. So down, down, up, down, up. D, A, G, D. once through. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so if it's a little fast for you, again, rewind. Just practice your chord changes. D, A, G, D. Okay, over and over till that's comfortable. Then with the strumming, okay, just slower. Okay, so we're gonna play the chorus now. We're gonna go through the whole chorus once. Try to follow along. It's pretty long, so it's best that you actually memorize these sections. A, D, D, A, D, D, then G, G, D, D. G, G, D, D, G, G, D, D, then D, A, G, D, okay? This is the part where it's, take me down, little Susie, take me down. That's where the chorus starts, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. G, send me the flowers in the morning. Back to G, send me the flowers. G again. D, and then D. Won't forget to put roses on her grave. And then you're back to a verse, right? Verse is D, A, G, D. Okay? So even if you have to break up the chorus and just practice A, D, just do that, okay? Break it into smaller chunks. G, D, G, D. Okay? Just chord changes, slow strumming, gradually speeding it up. Then, of course, playing along with the recording. And again, if the recording's a bit too fast or too long, just see if you can play along with a little bit of it. Or if you can't quite play along with the recording, that's okay. Keep practicing this lesson. Jump ahead to the next lesson even. And then you can always revisit it, okay? All right, counting 4 bars of introduction. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. Verse. Chorus. course. G. Ending. All right, that's it.